In the final section of this project, which we'll do, is called Into the Tank. There is another section afterwards called Swimming with the Sharks that we're not going to do, um, just because of time and constraints and things like that. So into the tank, we're going to use all of the tools that we've been using before and then try to make decisions based upon what is offered to us. So again, we're going to find an EBIT for this individual. We're going to need to figure out what their quarters 3 and quarters 4 projected revenues are going to be. Again, I would use an average on this, I think. Um, we need to come up with a valuation, and what you'll see on the offers that are presented, usually there'll be only two choices to consider, and you'll need to make your choice based upon that. So you'll see that Miss Leopard on this one says that they're out. And I'm not sure. You can use a multiplier that you think based upon what you read during the other portions, based upon meaning that if it's something that's original, there'll be a higher multiplier. If it's something that there's a lot of competition, the multiplier is going to be lower. Again, this one's going to have you looking at valuations of different companies to find a multiplier, finding the estimated income. You might use growth or you might use an average on that. That's totally up to you. Find the EBIT and find the valuation of the company, and then the choice is going to be on the next slide of what is offered to you. You need to fill in what the valuation of the, for both offers is, where it says add text there. So you need to fill in what their valuation of the company is based upon their offers, and then you need to offer the advice of what you would pick and why.